Product warranties are important. A manufacturer's warranty is its promise to consumers that an investment in their product is a safe one. Warranties can also be a good indicator of how a manufacturer perceives the value of their own products. ThermaSol has been known for producing industry-leading products for more than 6 decades. Today, each of our generators are hand-built right here at our factory in Round Rock, Texas. Once assembled, each unit is tested twice before it gets boxed and shipped. While we have very reasonable replacement warranties for most of our steam and smart shower products, it's the warranty on our Pro Series of steam generators that will make you a customer for life. You get lifetime parts and labor covered here at our factory, no questions asked, no fine print, no exclusions for things like local water conditions. And because we are certain of the initial quality of our generators, ThermaSol covers parts and labor in your home for the first 2 years of ownership. Once you unbox your Pro Series, take note of the serial number and date code. You will find this information on the top cover of your generator. Navigate to thermasol.com/customer-support to register for your warranty. Provide all requested information and submit. Other generator manufacturer warranties are full of exclusions and limitations. Our warranty is no questions asked, and we mean it. Our team will make every reasonable effort to take care of all ThermaSol customers, whether you were the original owner or not. If you recently moved into a home with an existing ThermaSol unit, contact our customer service team to discuss what warranty coverage options you may be eligible for. And if you have any questions about ThermaSol warranties or any of our products, just give us a call or drop us a line. We'll be happy to help.